In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an AvaTrade account. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to avatrade.com and you want to click on register now up top over here. And then you're going to have to sign up using your email, password, and then your country and a few other details after you put that in. So after you do it, you'll get access to their web trader over here. And to actually open an account, simply click at the top right where there's this arrow, click on see all under accounts. And you're going to be able to see your accounts over here. And to actually create or open an account, hover over add an account and select either demo or real. Of course, you can only create a real account after you upgrade via this button up here. Before that, you can only create demo accounts. So for demo accounts, click here and you can just select what trading platform and base currency you want. And after this, you'll be able to create your account. Or if you don't want that, you can go ahead and upgrade to real. And then you're going to have to get verified, and after that you'll be able to actually get your real live account. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.